Alright, today we're going to look at our invertebrates, the annelids, that are in phylum Annelida. And you can see here that they all have little rings. That's from the word annelus, where their bodies have the little segments or the rings around them. Again, this is domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Euzoa, and then phylum Annelida or Annelida. The classes are Oligochaeta, which are your earthworms, Hirudinea, which is your leeches, and polychaetes, which are your marine worms. Now the oligochaetes, this includes the earthworms, the megadrills, and their scientific name is Lumbricus terrestris, and they're both aquatic and terrestrial, and the microdill families, such as the tubifids, which you see there at the bottom, which include many marine members also. Now, Hirudinea, these are your blood-sucking external parasites and the predators of your small invertebrates. So we're talking here mainly about leeches, and the medicinal leeches that we use in medicine, as well as all leeches, keep blood flowing and prevent clotting because they have hirudin, which is an anticoagulant, in their saliva. Now our polychaetes, this is the largest group of annelids, and most of them are marine. All the segments are identical, and each of them have a pair of parapodia that they use for swimming and burrowing and making a feeding current. There's over 9,000 species of these worms, and we find them anywhere it's wet. Terrestrial environments that are wet, fresh water, and then of course your polychaetes are your marine species. Some of them are parasitic or mutualistic. They have bilateral symmetry. They're trophoblastic, protostomes, and they're coelomates. Their circulatory system is closed, and they have true segmentation. Their segmented bodies and their coelom give them some advantages over other worms. Their coeloms of oligochaetes and polychaetes are very spacious, but in leeches it's filled with a tissue and narrow canals. But the coelom is divided into compartments because there are walls between each segment called septa that you can see there in the diagram labeled. Each compartment corresponds to a triple segment of the body, and that's going to include a part of the nervous system, a part of the closed circulatory system. So each segment can function pretty much independently.